Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I used to struggle with remembering biological concepts, preparing for exams, understanding science, but over a time I discovered simple tricks, short notes, and study hacks that actually work. Now I share everything I learned so that you study smarter, not harder. From remembering quick, fun tips, this channel is all about making learning easy and fun. Hit subscribe and bell icon so well you can learn together and make study enjoyable. Right, everyone, let's take a closer look at this slide, which gives us a fantastic overview of what vitamins are all about. We are breaking down these essential nutrients in detail. Vitamins are organic compounds required in a tiny amount for normal growth, metabolism, and body function. They are not synthesized in our body in a sufficient manner, so we have to take them through our diet. Vitamins functions as coenzymes, antioxidants, and metabolic bodies. Vitamin deficiency can cause diseases in our body. Vitamins are essential organic micronutrients needed in small amount for our health, growth, and metabolism. This deficiency can cause diseases in our body. We came to know about vitamins, their definition, and the sources, and why they are important in our body. Okay, now vitamins are tiny nutrients, but they have big impact. Do you know they have divided into two categories? They are water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble vitamin B and vitamin C. Fat soluble vitamin A, D, E, and K. The short way to remember the fat soluble vitamins are आज धूप enjoy करो. Now we will know about fat soluble vitamins stored in liver and fatty tissues observed with dietary fats. Risk of toxicity if taken in excess. A short way to remember fat soluble vitamins are आज धूप enjoy करो. Next, moving on to vitamin A. The main function of vitamin A is vision, growth, skin, and immunity. Also, vitamin A is also known as retinol. This is all related to eye. Source will get vitamin A from milk, egg, fish, oil, and carrot and Spanish. Deficiency, night blindness, xeranthopelaemia, and keratomalacia. These diseases are all about the eye. And next, moving on to vitamin D. Oh, vitamin D is also known as calcitirol. The main function is regulating calcium and phosphorus metabolism of bone health. This all function is related about the bone. The source will get vitamin D from sunlight, fish oil, butter, and milk. The deficiency of vitamin D may cause rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Next, we'll know about vitamin E. It is also known as tocopherol. The main function is antioxidant, protects cell membrane, fertility, and RBC protection. This helps from oxidative damage to the cell. The sources are vegetable oil, nuts, green leaves, and vegetables. The deficiency may cause muscular weakness, sterility, and hemolytic anemia. The vitamin K. It is also known as piloquinine function, essential for blood clotting, prothrombin formation. The sources will get from green leaves, vegetables, liver, intestine, and bacteria, mainly from the cabbage and Spanish. Deficiency, delayed clotting, and hemorrhage. We have to remember that fat soluble vitamins stored in body, and they are highly toxic if they are taken in excess. The deficiency of these diseases may cause long term. These are not short term diseases, these are long terms. They can go through years to cure. Water-soluble vitamins are organic compounds required in small amount for normal metabolism, growth, and body function. They cannot be stored in large amount in body except B12 and folate. B12 and folate can be stored somewhat in minimum amount, but and must be consumed regularly through our diet. And B complex vitamins are of different types. They are categorized into B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. The main function of this vitamin B is acts as an coenzyme in carbohydrates and fats, protein metabolism, and supports nervous system and RBC formation, aid in DNA synthesis and energy production. Source: the vitamin we will get from whole grain, legumes, meat, egg, milk, green leaves, and vegetable and nuts. Deficiency. The deficiency of vitamin B can lead to beriberi, paligram, megnoblastic anemia, and neuropathy. B complex vitamins are a group of water-soluble vitamins that are primarily act as a coenzyme in various metabolic reactions. They are essential for energy production, growth, proper function of nervous system, and function of red blood cells. The easy way to remember this B complex vitamins are: the real nice person prefers beautiful full course. Okay. Next, we'll see what are the B complex different type of vitamins. They are B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12. Have you observed that B4 and B8 are missing? So B1 is also called as thymine, B2 is also called as riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, and B6 is pyridoxine, B7 biotin, and B9 is folic acid, and B12 is cobalamin. Okay, now we will learn about the functions of B complex vitamin. As a It acts as a coenzyme in carbohydrate, fat, protein metabolism, supports our nervous system, and it helps in the production of RBC and synthesis of DNA. Some have antioxidant properties also. And the main sources from where we'll get the B complex vitamin is whole grains, legumes, nuts, milk, eggs, and meat, green leaves, and vegetables. So we have to take our diet in a proper way that it contains vegetable, fruits, and we have to take a good proper amount of food, so we'll get our vitamins out from outside. Deficiency disorders: B1 beriberi, and B2 cirrhosis and eye problems, B3 pellagra means diarrhea, dermatitis, and dementia, B5 rare fatigue, burning feet, B6 convulsions, neuropathy, and anemia, B7 dermatitis and alopecia, B9 megaloblastic anemia and neural tube defects, B15 is neuropathy and pyrenosia anemia. Water soluble: excess excrete in urine. It is passed out in urine. Daily intake needed. So we have to take it on the daily basis. Mostly functions as an coenzyme in metabolism. Deficiency may causes different type of diseases. Last and final, vitamin C. I think so. No need of explanation for vitamin C, because daily we will use vitamin C in our life for our good skin, flawless skin. Okay, not only girls, but nowadays boys also doing their skin care. They are taking care of their skin properly. So the main function of this vitamin C is collagen synthesis on our body. So healthy skin, gums, and wound healing. It has a great antioxidant property, protects cell from oxidative damage, enhances ion absorption. And the sources from where we'll get this vitamin C is the citric fruits. So the main content in the citric fruits is citric acid. So we'll get it from lemons, oranges. So next, Gava, Amla, green vegetables. The deficiency of these vitamin C may lead to bleeding gums, poor wound healing, weakness, and skin damages, etc. The key points: water-soluble vitamins are excreted through the urine. They are removed out from our body through the urine. Require daily intake. So they will be removed on the basis of our body intake, so we have to take it properly. Mostly act as a coenzyme or antioxidant. So wrap it up, all vitamins are tiny but mighty nutrients that our body need in small amount for small growth, energy, immunity, and overall health. We learned that vitamins are classified into fatty soluble and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. आज धूप को enjoy करो. And water soluble BC, I think so. No need of remembering with this one. So BC, you will remember it all. And with their specific function, source, and deficiency diseases, we have learned. We have seen in previous slides. And next, moving on to main important thing is fat soluble is seen. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in our body, but access can be harmful. So water soluble vitamins we consume daily. We have to take it through our daily diet. It protects our body in multiple ways using simple mnemonics we have learned. And for exam point of view, we'll remember this one. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a video that making learn easy and fun. Stay healthy, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. If you want the notes, just DM me or comment on this video. I will share you notes.